Welcome to the color mixing construction site. And look who's here, it's Lightning McQueen. Meet Dumpty Dump Truck. He's ready to make our first primary color. Will it be red, yellow, or blue? Can you guess which one it will be? It's changing colors. What color is that? It's the color red. Meet Red Racer. He's so speedy. Alright, let's do our next color. Bye, Lightning McQueen. For this color, Earthshaker is joining us. Say hi to Earthshaker. Here comes Dumpy. Bye, Dumpy. Ooh, what color is this? Say it out loud if you know it. That's right, it's the color blue, our next primary color. Here comes Blue Zoomer, zooming through. He's the color blue, just like Dumpy just made. Say bye, Blue Zoomer. Bye, Earthshaker. Now for our next color. For this color, we have Dumpy's best friend, Dozy, here. Dozy is a bulldozer. Hi, Dozy. Alright, here comes Dumpy with the next color. What do you think it'll be? Bye, Dumpy, thanks again. Alright, here we go. When you know it, yell it out. That's right, it's yellow. That's our last primary color. Blue, red, and yellow, our primary colors. And look, it's Yellow Flash. So bright and so fast. Alright, bye, Dozy. Let's get a closer look at Yellow Flash. Bye, Yellow Flash. Oh, Mater's here. Hi, Mater. Oh, you're leaving. Bye, Mater. Alright, now that we're all done with primary colors, let's make our secondary colors. Let's see what happens when you mix blue and yellow. Oh, we have Blue Zoomer here and Yellow Flash to find out. Alright, here comes Dumpy. Secondary colors are made from mixing two primary colors. Bye, Dumpy. This is the color that blue and yellow make. Say it out loud if you know it. That's right, it's green. Blue and yellow make green. Oh, and just in time, the green machine is here. Hey, green machine. Oh, come down and get a closer look. There you go. Blue and yellow make green. Alright, bye guys. On to our next color. Oh, what is Gravedigger doing here? Oh, you're green, that's why. That's so cool. Bye, Gravedigger. Now let's try mixing red and blue. Here comes Blue Zoomer and Red Racer to see what color it makes. Alright, Dumpy, we're ready. Alright, call it out once you know what color it is. That's right, this is the color purple. And here comes Purple Speedster to check it out. Alright, bye guys. Alright, we have one more secondary color to make. So far, we made green from yellow and blue, and purple from red and blue. Next, we'll see what happens when you mix red and yellow. Here comes Red Racer and Yellow Flash to check it out. Do you know what color red and yellow make? If so, shout it out. Here comes Dumpy. Count to 3 and he'll dump it in. 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands to say thanks to Dumpy for all his help today. Thanks, Dumpy. Oh, look at this. What color is it? If you said orange, you're correct. That's our last secondary color. And here comes Orange Blazer to check it out. Orange Blazer looks super fast and super cool. What's your favorite color? Bye, Yellow Flash. Alright, bye, Red Racer. Bye, Orange Blazer. Let's recap. There are 3 primary colors. There's yellow, blue, and red. And those colors make the secondary colors, which are orange, green, and purple. What makes the color green? That's right, yellow and blue. What makes the color orange? That's right, yellow and red. And finally, what makes the color purple? Do you remember? That's right, blue and red. Mater and Dumpy had a silly idea. What happens when you mix all the primary colors together? Let's find out. Move over, Mater, so we can see. Oh, looks like a rainbow right now. Let's use Lightning McQueen and give it a little stir. Oh, what color is that? It looks kind of green, doesn't it? Alright, thanks for joining us.